Hi, this is Dr. Rakesh Makwana from Ahmedabad. I am the alumni of Bhavdeep Sir's first ever online workshop on consent. And recently I again attended his more updated version of customized consent, where he also included about documentation and record keeping and many more aspects. And I am really very happy that I again attended the workshop, because over the period of years sir has really taken the whole workshop at the next level. I mean, the kind of depth of knowledge sir is having in the subject matter is really uh, mind-boggling. And it is not only about the knowledge. See, the enthusiasm with which the sir teaches us, that is very much commendable. Like, sometimes it may happen so that you might get, exhausted by listening to him, by learning from him, but he will never show any signs of exhaustion. Even at the end of the day, he is at the same enthusiasm level at which he is in the beginning in the morning session. So I would only want to share this with all my colleagues, that if you haven't yet attended Bhavdeep Sir's workshop on the customized consent, please do so at the earliest. And what I have recently came to know is, now sir is going to arrange these workshops only once in a year. So guys, whenever you get the chance to attend this workshop, do attend it. And you take my words, it is worth much more, minimum 10 times than what sir is charging us for the workshop. I wish you all get to learn this thing from Bhavdeep sir and get benefited as I have been benefited. Once again, thank you very much, Bhavdeep sir.